in northern Bihar. Really a very ironic situation. It is representing the one of the best soil qualities in the world. So there should be, you can say, the flourishing grains and the flourishing crops. But unfortunately 5 to 6 months, it is facing the devastation of floods. One of the reasons being there is the flash flood from Nepal, because melting of ice as well as the rainwater, both are going to affect it. Silting in the river is creating another problem due to the alluvial soil that is being carried with water. And third one, unfortunately the drainage system is blocked, and due to the blockage to the, you can say, drainage system, that is going to create a devastation among the 76 lakhs people, and at least 11 districts are being directly affected.